Hey, it's Tanya here. I'm not in the studio today, but I'm in my kitchen. Now, often we want to photograph pieces, and so they've got a beautiful background shown in your kitchen, but sometimes your kitchen looks a little bit cluttered, so it takes away from your pieces with a busy background. So I'm so excited to share these boards that I bought to create a beautiful, clean backdrop to take your photos. I do have a photo booth, but you don't always want a gradient background or to lean in and out of a tent, the booth. So sometimes you want to have a different setting. These boards are fantastic. Usually you get small ones that are like 12 by 12 or even 24 by 24, but you're limited to that small space. These boards I bought, I'm so impressed with them. I can't wait to share them with you. These are 24 by 32. Look at that, the size of those. Now they come in this gorgeous gray, which could be for a backdrop or for your like granite surface. They are white on the back. It's a nice firm board, as you can tell, and it's pretty thick board. It comes two in a set. The other one is a gorgeous marble. I mean, picture your beautiful marble kitchen counter or bathroom counter. It doesn't have to be your kitchen. I really am excited about these. And the way they work, they're very simple. They go up in seconds. So you take these handy dandy little corners, and all it is, one goes on each side. That is it. It slots through this little slot, and the other board just rests inside it. Simple as that. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so if you can see here, oops. So if you can see here, I've got my board. I'm going to put my corners on. There, 1. 2. So as you can see, just one on each corner. Very simple. I mean, there's nothing to it. So now I'm going to use this as my kitchen counter right now. Let me get the other board. And all I do is I slot this in the sides. There, we have a gorgeous kitchen counter and backdrop. And as you can see, they're pretty firm. So let me set up for you, and you can see a before and after of what a beautiful kitchen backdrop would look like without doing a full makeover in your kitchen. I am so happy with these. Let me set up and I'll show you that. What I also wanted to share with you is that these boards don't just have to be horizontal, they can be vertical. So as you can see, if I put this vertical, now I'm going to have a beautiful marble background. Let me just slot these in. And now, I mean, look how tall this is. This is taller than me, and this is on the kitchen counter. So you can take photos of beautiful, tall pieces as well, not just short pieces like horizontal pieces. These are a game changer. I am so excited to share these with you. Any photo I take will look like I've got a beautiful kitchen counter, and really all the clutter's hiding behind. I love it. I've been wanting to share this. What I did want to share as well is that the boards, let me show you, the boards come with little protective corners for when you pack it away. They just pack in a nice box with a protective corner. so that they don't get ruined, because corners are always the first to go, as you know. And I'm really happy about this. Now, we don't always have to have a photo booth where it's got a gradient background. Now we can have a beautiful kitchen counter or bathroom counter. Well, I hope you enjoyed those. As you can see, I'm back in the same kitchen. You wouldn't know it, would you? But I've cleaned up the kitchen and I'm back to my normal kitchen, and you wouldn't even know it. I think this is a game changer. I'm so excited about these. And as you can see, the size, I mean, they are huge. But they pack away flat, which is perfect as well. So they're not going to really take up any space. So you're probably going to see a few photos of my pieces with these gorgeous backgrounds. I hope you like them as much as I do.